Hey teammates, it's time for our lesson. Today's lesson is going to be a spell check. That means we're going to check all the rules that we've learned so far by spelling words and writing sentences. You need a piece of paper, a pencil, and your dictation hand. If you don't have your dictation hand, now is a great time to click pause and make one. All you'll need to do is have someone trace your hand, draw a circle for 1, 2, 3, and a circle in the middle to pound. Let's get started. Again, if you don't have those materials, click pause so you can grab them because you're going to need them for today's lesson. All right. For today's lesson, again, we are going to practice all of our rules by spelling words. Get your fists ready. The first word is pots. Pound it, pots. Base word, pot. Pound it, pot. Pot. Write it. All right. Suffix, add the suffix. Go. Remember, a suffix is just a fancy word for an ending. Suffix, pots. Right? If you're not ready, press pause. We're going to continue on. Fists ready. The next word is chicks. Pound it, chicks. Base word, chick. Pound it, chick. Ch-I-k. Chick. Write it. All right, let's add the suffix. Suffix, write the suffix. Chicks. All right, these next few words, we're going to think back to our doubling rule. That's a hint, doubling rule. Fist ready. The word is Ross. Pound it, Ross. R-A-S. Ross. R-A-S. Ross. Write it. All right, fist ready. If you're not ready, it's okay, hit pause. The next word is puff. Think about your doubling rule, puff. Pound it, puff. Puff. Write it. All right, next word, fist ready. If you're not ready, press pause. The next word is pass. Pound it, pass. P-A-S. Pass. Write it. Fist ready? The next word is miss. Pound it, miss. M-I-S. Miss. Write it. Fist ready? Again, you can pause if you're not ready. The word is dill. Pound it. Dill. D-I-L. Dill. Write it. Don't forget about your doubling rule. All right, fist ready. If you're not ready, click pause. This next word is 2 syllables. The word is picnic. First syllable, pick. Pound it, pick. P-I-C, pick. Write it. Fist ready. Second syllable, nick. N-I-C, nick. Write it. Picnic. 2-syllable word. All right, fists ready? This is our last word, but it's actually a detached syllable. Ooh, I remember that from one of our lessons we just did. The detached syllable is sup. Pound it, sup. S-up, sup. Write it. All right, if you're not done writing, that's okay. Click pause. If you are done writing, we're going to check our work. So I'm going to switch to the next slide. We're going to check our work. We're going to fix our work, and then we will read our words. Go ahead and check your work. I see pots, chicks, Ross, puff, pass, miss, dill, picnic, sup. Remember, when you finish your work today, all of it, you're going to take a picture, either with a phone or with your computer, and you are going to send that picture to me or to Miss Grantham. So make sure you really do this work. It's super important to grow your brain. If you're not done checking your work, that's okay. Hit the pause button now. We are going to practice reading our work. So I want you to start at the top with the word pots. You're going to read all the way down until you get to sup. Ready? Read. All right, now I want you to say them after me, starting at the top. Pots, chicks, Ross, puff, pass, miss, dill, picnic, sup. We are almost done with our lesson, but first we need to write a few sentences. So we are going to write, let's write a few sentences. Let's write 3 sentences. We'll check our work, and then we will be all done with this lesson for today. All right, remember we're going to pound our sentence. So the first sentence is, pass the dill to Ross. Your turn. Pass the dill to Ross. Pass the dill to Ross. Write it. Think about your doubling rule when you're writing it. Pass the dill to Ross. Don't forget your uppercase letter to start and to end with a punctuation mark. Sending you lots of shine. You're writing the sentence, pass the dill to Ross. If you're not done yet, that's fine. Go ahead and click pause so you can finish your writing. Let's go ahead and get our fists ready for the next sentence. He will go to the picnic. Pound it with me. He will go to the picnic. One more time. He will go to the picnic. Write it. He will go to the picnic. If you're not done, that's okay. Click pause. We're going to do one more sentence. Fist ready. Again, if you're not done, click pause. The wing on the jet is long. Pound it with me. The wing on the jet is long. One more time. The wing on the jet is long. Write it. The wing on the jet is long. Sending you lots of shine. If you're not done writing your sentence, click the pause button now. Again, if you're not done, hit the pause button so you can finish writing. The wing on the jet is long. Let's check our work. Pass the dill to Ross. He will go to the picnic. The wing on the jet is long. Read them back to me. Start at the top. Me first, then you. Pass the dill to Ross. Your turn. Next one. He will go to the picnic. Your turn. Last one. The wing on the jet is long. Your turn. Great work today. You have finished your dictation. Make sure you pause this and copy the sentences down the right way. You will send a picture of your work to me or to Miss Grantham. Don't forget your capital letters, your punctuation marks, and your finger spacing. We can't wait to see all the work that you did and look at your beautiful handwriting.